Hello students, today in subject mathematics we will start exercise 4.3. In that, first question is solve the following equation. Here the equations are given and we have to solve that one. Now in previous exercise we solved equation using balancing method. Now we have to solve equation using transposing method. Now two types of methods are there. For example, suppose I'm this one 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Now I have to solve this equation. So for that, first of all, with balancing method, what I will do, first of all, to find the value of variable t, I have to remove this 28. So for that I will add 20 minus 28 on both sides. Now here plus 28 minus 28 will be cancelled. So 5t is equal to minus 18. This is the value of 5t. Now to find the value of t, I will do minus 18 divided by 5. So this is how we have to solve this type of equation using balancing method. But how to use transposing method? Now what happen in transposing method? For that, suppose what we are as we discussed in introduction, if in transposing method, if any term or any number is in LHS, this one is our LHS and this one is our RHS. Any number is in LHS is with positive sign. If I am taking this number on another side, then it will become minus. For example, 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Now I have to solve this one using transposing. So for that, what I will do, 5t is equal to plus 28 is there. If I will take this one on RHS, then it will become minus. As we discussed, if any number is in positive sign in LHS, then it will become negative in RHS. If any number is in negative in LHS, then it will become positive in RHS. If any number is in multiplication in LHS, then it will go in division in RHS. If any number is in division in LHS, then it will be in multiplication in RHS. So here 5t is equal to 10 minus 28. So answer become minus 18. Now here, as we discussed, if any number is in multiplication in LHS, then it will become in division in RHS. So minus 18 divided by 5. This is how we have to solve this type of equation. Or here we can write transposing minus 28, sorry, only 28 to RHS. Or here we may write transposing 5 to RHS. So this is how we have to solve this type of equation. Here we will use transposing method. So the first one is 2y plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 37 divided by 2. Now for that one, here in transposing method, 5 by 2 is here is in positive sign. If I will take this one into RHS, then it will become negative. So 2y is equal to 37 divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 2. Or here, if steps are asked, then you may write this type, transposing 5 by 2 to RHS. If in exam question we like write the step of transposing, then you may write this one, transposing 5 by 2 to RHS. Now here 2y is equal to, here LCM is same, both side 2 is there. So 37 minus 5 divided by 2. Now 2y is equal to 37 minus 5, we all know 32 divided by 2. Now 32 divided by, we all know 16 to the 32. So 2y is equal to 16. Now as we discussed, this is the value of 2y. Now I have to find the value of y. So for that, as we discussed, if any number is in multiplication in LHS, then if it does, that number will, if I will take that number in RHS, then it will become in division. So here y is equal to 16. Now 2 is in multiplication. I will take this one onto another side, then it will come in division. Now y is equal to, we all know 2 8s are 16. So y is equal to 8 is my solution for this given equation. So if I will put 8 in place of y, then I will get 37 divided by 2 as my answer. Now the next one, 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Now I have to separate this t, or I have to find the value of t. So for that, 5t now plus 28 is there. If I will take this one into RHS, then it will come in subtraction. So 10 minus 28. Now 5t is equal to minus 18. Now as we discussed, if any number is in multiplication in LHS, then if I will take this number on RHS, then it will become in division. So minus 18 divided by 5 is the solution or value of t. Now the next one, a divided by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Here you can also write transposing 28 to RHS. Now a divided by 5 plus 3 is equal to, now here I have to find the value of variable t. So first of all, for that, a divided by 5 is equal to, plus 3 is there, if I will take this one into RHS, then it will become minus, so 2 minus 3, a divided by 5 is equal to minus 1. Now here as we discussed, if any number is in division in LHS, then it will, if I will take this number on RHS, then it will be in multiplication. So for that, a is equal to, now it will come in multiplication, minus 1 into 5. So a is equal to minus 1 into 5, we all know, minus 5. So value of the a is minus 5. If I will put minus 5 here, then I will get 2 in. Now the next one is q divided by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Here the variable is q. Now I have to find value for that. So here I will write q divided by 4 is equal to, now 7 is in positive, if I will take it in another side, then it will become negative. So 5 minus 7. Now q divided by 4 is equal to 5 minus 7, we all know, minus 2. Now this is the value of q divided by 4. Now I have to find the value of q. So for that, if any number is in division on one side, then I will take it on another side, then it will become in multiplication. So q is equal to 4 into minus 2. Now q is equal to 4 into minus 2, we all know, minus 8, because negative sign is here. So q is equal to minus 8 is a solution for the given equation. If I will put minus 8 in place of q, then I will get 5 in RHS. Now the next one, is 5 divided by 2 into x is equal to minus 10. Now here the variable is x. I have to find value for that. First of all, here we all know 2 is in division. If I will take on another side, then it will become in multiplication. So 5x is equal to, now I will take 2 in RHS, then it will become 2 into minus 10. Now 5x is equal to 2 into minus 10, we all know, minus 20. Now this is the value of 5x. Now I have to find the value of x. So for that, x is equal to, if any number is in multiplication in one side, then I will take, if I will take this one on another side, then it will come in division. So minus 20 divided by 5. Now we all know x is equal to 5 4s are 20, but here minus 20 is here, so it will become minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 is a solution for the given equation. If I will put in minus 4 in place of x, then I will get minus 10 in my RHS. Now the next one, 5 by 2 into x is equal to 25 divided by 4. Now here I have to find the value of x. So for that, first of all, I have to take this one. If I will take 2 into another side, then it will come in multiplication. So for that, 5x is equal to, now 25 divided by 4 into 2. Now 5x is equal to 25 into 2, we all know, 50 divided by 4. Now this is the value of 5x. Now I have to find the value of x. So for that, if any number is in multiplication on one side, if I will take this one onto another side, then it will come in division. So for that, x is equal to 50 and into 5 will be here in division, and 4 is already there, then it will become 4 into 5. Now here x is equal to 50, 4 into 5, we all know, 20. Now 0 0 will be cancelled, so value of x is equal to 5 divided by 2. So this is the solution of this equation. If I will put 5 by 2 in place of x, then I will get 25 divided by 4 in RHS. So this is how we have to solve this type of equation. Now the next one, 7m plus 19 divided by 2 is equal to 13. Now here variable is given m. Now I have to find value of m. So first of all, for that, here 7m plus 19 divided by 2, I have to, if I will take this fraction on another side, then sign of this will be changed, so it will become 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 divided by 2. Now here 19 divided by 2 is given and 13 is only integer, so I have to convert. LCM is not same, so first of all I have to take LCM. So for that 7m is equal to, now, or I can cross multiply this one, so 13 into 2 it will become 26 minus 19 divided by 2. Now 7m is equal to 26 minus 19, it will be 7 divided by 2. Now this is the value of 7m. Now I have to find the value of m. So for that, this 7 is in multiplication. If I will take this one on denominator, then it will be in multiplication with 2, so m is equal to 7 divided by 2 into 7. Now m is equal to 7 divided by 14. Now we all know 7 divided by 14, it will become m is equal to 7 2s are 14, it will become 1 upon 2. So value for the m is 1 upon 2. If I will put 1 by 2 in place of m, then I will get 13 in RHS, and in that if I will add 19 by 2, then I will get 13. Now next question, 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. Now I have to find the value of variable z. For that, first of all I have to separate z from this 10. So for that, 6z, now plus 10 is here. If I will take this one on another side, then it will become negative 10. Now 6z is equal to minus 2 minus 10, minus minus plus and bigger number sign. So here minus 2 minus 10, it will become minus 12 because bigger number sign is negative. Now this is the value of 6z. Now I have to find the value of z. So for that, it will become z is equal to, 6 will come in division, minus 12 divided by 6. Now z is equal to, we all know 6 2s are 12, negative sign is here, then it will become minus 2. So z is equal to minus 2 is solution for the given equation. If I will put minus 2 here in place of z, then I will get minus 2 in RHS. Minus 2 into 6 minus 12 plus 10, answer will be minus 10 because here the bigger number is minus 12. Now bigger number sign is negative. Now the next one, 3l divided by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. 3l, now here variable is l, I have to find value for that. So for that, 3l is equal to, I have to remove this 2. So 2, if 2 is in division, I will take it on another side, then it will come in multiplication. So 2 by 3 into 2, so 3l is equal to 2 into 2 4 divided by 3. This is the value of 3l. Now I have to find value of l. So for that, this is in multiplication. If I will take it on another side, then it will come on division. So 4 divided by 3 into 3. So l is equal to 4 divided by 9 is a solution of the given equation. So if I will put 4 divided by 9 here in place of l, then I will get 2 by 3 on RHS. Now the next one, 2b divided by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now here the variable b is given, I have to find value of that one. First of all, to find the value for that, I have to remove this minus 5, then 3 and 2. So first of all, 2b divided by 3 is equal to, minus 5 is here. If I will take this one onto another side, then it will become positive. Please keep this thing in your mind if anytime this type of questions is given. So first of all, you have to do operations regarding subtraction and addition. This type of operation first you have to solve, then you may take this operation regarding multiplication and division. So minus 5 is here. If I will take this one into another side, then it will become positive. Now 2b divided by 3 is equal to 8. Now this is the value of 2b divided by 3. Now I have to find value of b. So for that, first of all, 3 is in division. If I will take this one into another side, then it will come in multiplication. So it will become 2b is equal to 24. Now this is the value of twice b. Now I have to find value of b. So for that, 2 is in multiplication. If I will take this one into another side, then it will come in division. 24 divided by 2. We all know 12 2s are 24. So b is equal to 12 is solution of the given equation. Now if I will put 12 here in place of b, then I will get 3 in RHS. So here we are completing question number 1. If you are having any query or doubt in this one, you may ask me in comment section. Thank you.